Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can go to deposit checks into your Sofi money account, and you can only do this through the Sofi application. And you can see right in the middle of my screen here, this is what the Sofi application looks like. If you're on an Android device, you can download and install the Sofi app through the Google Play Store. And if you're on an Apple device, then you can get this application through the Apple App Store. But once you download and install the Sofi app, what we want to do is launch it. And then you're going to log in to your Sofi account using your credentials. And then once you're in the Sofi app, what you want to do is down here at the bottom, click on the Sofi Money tab, and that's going to take you over to your Sofi Money account. Now, at this point, what you want to do here is more towards the middle of the screen. You can see where it says deposit, transfer, pay bills, more. What we want to do is click on the deposit option. And then on this page, what you're going to do is enter in the amount of the check in this top line area. And then you're also going to take a picture using your smartphone device. The front of the check, you click on where it says front of check, then you take a picture of it, and then you do the same thing with the back of the check. And some tips here, you're going to want to sign the back of the check, of course. Place your check on a dark background, and all four corners of your check must be visible when you're taking the picture. But once you have the amount entered in, and then you take a picture of both the front and back of the check with your endorsement of your signature on the back of the check, then you can move on to the next step to go through and initiate the review process to deposit the check into your Sofi Money account. So I hope this video was helpful, showing you where you can go to deposit a check into your Sofi Money account. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.